very weekend before Hallows Eve, and I feel as if I need to do something. Today is one of those days that would be perfect to have a cozy autumn bonfire. So I was thinking maybe I can spruce up the back porch a little bit, maybe rake some of these leaves out of the way, perhaps have a small little bonfire out here, roast some marshmallows. It would be kind of cool to set up a white sheet here and watch a spooky movie out here. Wouldn't that be kind of fun? Just a cozy day at home, but make it a party. I can put some blankets and pillows, bring out a couple of blow molds to really set the tone. Wow, this pumpkin pie coffee is hitting. Croissants are so messy, but they're flaky and oh my gosh, they're so delicious. One of my favorite breakfasts. In this house, we have chocolate cake for breakfast. Just a good old-fashioned Halloween day at home. In this corner, I have the teeniest, tiniest little fire pit. So that's where I'll roast some marshmallows tonight. I just want to brush off all the leaves from my porch, clear some things off. After I'm done cleaning up the leaves, I'm gonna put up my white screen. Hopefully this will look a little bit more transformed than this. Move my mop bucket out of the way. Yeah, I could probably just shake this floor off. There we go. Of course, I have some clothing pins. I'm gonna use these to hold up my white sheet for my projector. Let's have a spooky bonfire night, shall we? And then we'll set up a little treat board. So the movies I'm thinking about watching tonight, Hocus Pocus, of course. Duh. We've got to watch Hocus Pocus tonight. Oh, look what I found. Something to take the edge off. Okay, I've got my projector going. It's still daylight, so I have no idea if this is even hitting the screen. But I'm trying my best. Once the night falls, hopefully I can adjust this a little bit better, but at least the mechanisms are here. Here's the little fire pit. I haven't started a fire in a long time, so who knows how long this fire will last. But the hope is that it lasts long enough for me to make some s'mores. I saw this really cute recipe on Pinterest of someone taking strawberries and coating them in marshmallow fluff and then using that as a s'more. So I'm gonna try that because it looks delicious. Marshmallow covered strawberry s'mores. That sounds amazing. All right, dogs. We hear you. Throw some of these toilet paper rolls around them. That should be good. Wouldn't it be nice if I can just relax on my little lounge chair out here? So I'm gonna put some pillows on there and some cool blankets that are festive. So I do have some blankets in here. Let's go for this one, Trick or Treat Madness. This cool blanket says Happy Halloween on it. I have lots of autumn blankets. This is a good one. This is a really good one to lay down on. It is a bunch of orange pumpkins. I think it'd be kind of cool to have the blow molds kind of decorating around this little area I've got going on here. More geckos. I think this looks pretty good. Not too shabby. I think it's time to make some popcorn for tonight's festivities. I'm gonna make Halloween popcorn though. So I'm gonna pop up this popcorn, and then I've got some delicious spooky treats to add to my popcorn. I'm gonna use my gorgeous ghost bowl. I'm gonna stick some popcorn in there, but I gotta spruce it up. We gotta make it freaky. We gotta freak this popcorn. This beautiful popcorn. I'm gonna ruin it with all the best treats. So first, I'm gonna add some Oreos in there. And I'm just gonna cut them. Ooh, look at the inside. They're green and orange. So I'm just dicing them, tossing them in there. This looks so freaky in all the best ways. Now I'm gonna add some M&Ms. I'm just gonna add a handful in there. There's already a lot of chocolate, so. And now I'm gonna add a little bit of candy corn in here. I think that's gonna give it a lot of color. This is ridiculous. This is a huge bowl of popcorn for one gal, but I guarantee you it'll be perfect for tonight. I can't even see the popcorn at this point. It's so cool. This spooky popcorn looks fantastic. But of course, I have to add one more thing. I gotta add my spooky sprinkles. I'm gonna go for these little confetti sprinkles. There's purple, green, black, orange, pink, all the colors. For the bonfire board, quite simple, really. So typically for s'mores, I need marshmallows, chocolate, graham crackers. However, I don't have any graham crackers. So I'm gonna do things a little bit differently right now. I still wanna get my marshmallows because they're delicious and gorgeous. Pumpkins, ghosts, and Frankenstein. I have these pumpkin spice latte nuggets of chocolate. So I'm just gonna put a couple of them on the side. It's just me, so it's not gonna be this ginormous full board, okay? This is the marshmallow cream. So I'm thinking this might be kind of fun to try out with the strawberry. I don't know. This is gonna be an experiment to say the least, but we're gonna try it out for the sake of Halloween. All right, I've got my cute spooky ghost bowl. I'm gonna stick that right here because I'm gonna slice up the tops of these strawberries and stick them in the bowl. So they're nice and ready for me to use whenever I get ready for my spooky bonfire. These little pumpkin spice cupcakes are insane. They are so good. I've been doing really, really good holding out. I've been waiting for my spooky cozy movie night. So I only ate one, but whoo, I am so excited to have one of these. They're so delicious. These little bite-sized pumpkin spice cupcakes are everything. I think that an apple would be really nice on this board. Add a little bit of sourness to this. So I'm just gonna cut this sour apple in slices and drizzle some caramel on top of it. So I have this Smucker's drizzle caramel. I'm gonna crack this open. There we go. Sprinkles! Pretty! Hear me out. I'm gonna slice up some jalapenos because I like jalapenos on my popcorn. I'm just gonna put a couple of fresh jalapenos. make sure to wash my hands right away so I don't rub my face on accident. But this is just because I might feel the mood for something spicy with my popcorn. The sweet and the spicy with the popcorn and the salty, it does something for my taste buds. I also have some pickled jalapenos, and I think that might taste a little bit better with popcorn. However, there's only one way to find out. Ooh, they even smell amazing. Oh, yes. Woo! Woo. My mouth is already watering. I love pickled jalapenos and popcorn. Minus all this sweet stuff that I put in to make my spooky popcorn, jalapenos go on my popcorn every time I go to the movie theater. Now for the final touches. I have some hocus pocus cupcake decor that I'm gonna put on my little cupcakes. So we've got Sarah Sanderson, Winifred Sanderson, and Mary Sanderson. That's delicious. Oh my gosh, those jalapenos smell so good. I can't even lie. Spooky bonfire board for one. That looks pretty good to me. Look at my popcorn. It's so pretty. I love it. This looks amazing. Oh, I need to make a mocktail. So we'll put this here for now. That looks amazing. For this particular mocktail, it's very simple, very sweet, and a little creepy cute. I like to call it the Monster Mash. You could also call it the Melted Monster. All you need is a good old-fashioned glass, which I'm gonna use candy corn. Duh. You'll need a Baja Blast. We're also gonna do a sherbet. Now this is rainbow sherbet. The recipe usually calls for green, but all I could find was the rainbow. So I think we're gonna have a rainbow monster mash. And then the best part is some eyeballs to float on top of our sherbet. This is very easy. It's literally just a fun, spooky drink, nothing crazy. I'm first going to add my Baja Blast. And I love the color. It gives it that spooky green that I'm looking for. I'm gonna get a nice big giant scoop of sherbet, and then I'm gonna stick that I'm gonna do a couple scoops, and then the best part, now I just add my spooky monster eyeballs. How cute! Look at it! And of course, I need a cool monster mash of a straw. Ooh, this one's cool. It says eek, and it has a bunch of candy corns and jack-o'-lanterns on it. Okay, yeah, we'll do this one. And there you have it. The melted monster mash mocktail. It's time to start bringing out the treats. Oh my gosh, that monster mash is so delicious. Look at that. My melted monster is turning a little murky in there. It's really good though. It's pretty much just a Baja Blast float. And the eyeballs floating. That's awesome. Yeah. I haven't done a bonfire in a long time. It's been a minute. Yeah, I did it. Solo bonfire night. We're watching Hocus Pocus tonight. Come little children, I'll take you away into a land of enchantment. So on Pinterest, I saw this thing where they took a strawberry and they coated it with some marshmallow fluff. Get a good coating on there. And then they melted the marshmallow fluff, roasted it on the bonfire. That is one messy marshmallow strawberry. Woohoo! For autumn bonfire nights. This is as much as my marshmallow is roasting. My strawberry isn't doing much, but good enough, right? Cheers to cozy autumn bonfire nights. And cheers to Hocus Pocus, one of my favorite Halloween movies. That's pretty darn good. Holy cow. Oh, that was delicious. I'm just waiting for the sun to go down enough for me to watch this movie out here. That marshmallow covered strawberry was amazing. Ooh, that one's a lot crispier. No! I dropped it. Mm-mm. Oh well, guess that means I need another one. I'm just slowly adding wood because I know at some point I want this to go out so I don't have to tend to it, but also just want to make sure that it's not getting so big because I'm surrounded by trees and leaves. So I'm trying to keep it small and quaint. That's why I'm just using little twigs. Cheers to s'mores nights. Mm-hmm. Great idea.
Another glorious morning. Makes me sick. Dash of pox and dead man's toe. Dead man's toe, make it a fresh one. Dead man's toe. Dead man's toe. Dead man's toe. One thing more and all is done. And a bit of mine own tongue.
I admit, the jalapenos with the popcorn and the Oreos, it does exactly what it needs to do.
Alright. Beautiful. Boys were lovely. We're young. Well, younger. But it's a start.
We can do better than that, I think. This is my favorite part.
As usual.
Well, one of my favorite parts. I love this movie.
His punishment shall not be to die,
But to live
forever
with his guilt.
As white when he is will jump back. Twist the bones and bend the back. Trim him of his baby fat. Give him fur black as black, just black.
Such a good part.
It's the one night of the year where the spirits of the dead can return to Earth.
Get it, girl. You telling.
I didn't mean to embarrass you in class.
You didn't?
Look at all the fall leaves.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna have my pumpkin spice cupcake now.
It doesn't matter what you say, you're taking me.
Want a bet?
This part. That house is so cool. Oh my goodness. Wow. That is such a vibe. The trick or treat vibes. I love it. Okay, but this part with all the jack-o'-lanterns, the hay bales, and her incredible outfit. I love Danny's witch outfit. It's the best. This is such a good part. Aww.
Something just flew across the moon.
Got my Winifred Sanderson cupcake ring.
I couldn't wear anything like that because I don't have any.
What do you call them, Max? Yabos?
Max likes her yabos.
In fact,
In fact,
he loves them.
the black flame candle.
Oh, come on. It's just a bunch of hocus pocus.
Uh-oh.
Max, I'm not kidding this time. It's time to go. Max, no!
Sweet revenge. Do feast us. My girls work perfectly.
My lucky rat tail.
You, I love this garden. Didn't I tell you? Oh, I knew it.
My lucky rat tail. Just where I left it.
Missed you. Did you miss me too? The year.
1993.
Sisters, we have been gone 300 years.
You. There. Electrokinesis.
You explained it beautifully, Winnie. The way you sort of started out with the adventure part and then you sort of slowly
Explain
went
what?
Come! We fly!
because of me.
We fly.
Life is still...
It's just a bunch of hocus pocus. Brave little virgin who lit the candle. I'll be thy friend.
Thou mangy feline.
Still alive and waiting for you. Oh, thou hast waited in vain. And I will fail.
Hello, Billy.
Catch those children! Get up! Get up! Get out of that ditch!
The way that she calls Billy a maggot museum is crazy.
The calming circle.
I am calm!
Oh, sister, thou art not being honest with thyself, are we? Huh? Huh? Come on. Give us that.
You know, I like that they wear capes instead of witch hats. I have always resonated more with capes and veils, and honestly, I feel like maybe I should dress as one of the witches for Halloween.
Bless you.
Oh, that part is so funny.
My 3 favorite witches. Are you boys a little old to be trick-or-treating?
This part.
Wow. Neat
Can you imagine?
Get the kids upset.
All Hallows Eve has become a night of frolic, where children wear costumes and run amok. One child.
I put a spell on you.
My favorite part.
And now you're mine.
I love this part.
You can't stop the things I do.
I lie.
Good show. Cover your ears. I'm gonna spell on you. It's a pie. I'm a baby. I'm a die. It's a pie. I'm a baby. I'm a die. It's I'm a boy. I'm a
of magic.
Just ready. Fly over the mountains, lad.
Jenny, don't drink it.
Shut up, yo. I always wanted a child, but now I think I'll have one. Toast!
I put a spell on you.
I thought LA was party now.
Yeah. Wow.
What a great movie.